and come say you're so good too. Me don't like how you deal with things.
No, I don't want to do it. I don't want to do it. Cannot be friend with she again.
And I don't want big pussy woman. And I don't want to be friend with she either. I don't want to be friend with she. Long time beat out catches woman.
Done that and me watch myself after my cuss with people what if I time Mitchie and it don't look good. It don't. Me watch myself after.
Mitchie don't call me blood clot me Mitchie, cause me don't know your girl. Me don't want a friend from no girl. Me now walk her hands out and say pity this lonely girl. She wants
and I'm trying to do the best for me.
You're not doing no best. You're not doing no best. My motto in my school, I used to go to Russell Primary School. And it was, only the best is good enough. And you're not doing nothing. Nothing you're not do big goal.
To an invitation when it makes sense. I know and at this point, cup full. So and at this point, it not make no sense. I have a whole heap of people for this.
I plan on nobody.
Like my kids.
I plan on nobody. Please that's it. You know see me push you off for the blood clot hurt now when I see she gonna swim.
People will look up to me. There's people that look up to me. There is kids that look up to me. I have my son.
There is all look up to your throat too. Talk about the big one. Yeah, me and son, we a big man blood clot too. And my son didn't feel away when to natural blood clot make me feel away too. So me have to make back you feel away. Say your son have to feel back away. You know me, girl, go and move your blood clot. See your name, me not ask nothing about you. A manager can't manage me. Suck your mama, you did add for chin though. You did add for chin though. You did add for chin though. Add for me. Because I'm not done with doing a blood clot. Everywhere me go, me a crab up on the name. I'm not have to beat me when me done with doing.
When time blood clot, Soyini did over lava. Bumbo clot, cause not nice tonight. Why don't you never go back over YouTube and watch it?
That not have nothing to do with blood clot me. So also true she cuss not nice. She for this me and me hold it.
Because right now she are not nice now take no tea because of this. Because of this I still not the screen recording. But you know blood clot. Over there feet blood clot pouring. You know to stop the fuckery.
Girl go suck your mother too. Cause me don't even know who and who. Soyini never drop out, grab up my pussy when it a drop out. Cause my pussy and the pussy will drop out. Soyini not do nothing for me. Soyini never give me a night sleep. Soyini never give me a night eat. What the blood clot Soyini do for me? Jungle justice over here. So what Soyini do for blood clot? Dirty whore, what Soyini do for me? Fucking bright. Soyini not do nothing for blood clot me.
Me nah do nothing. Like me can't done something where me nah do. True man.
Me a one girl blood clot and me Soyini, me not afraid of none of blood clot to know. Me fight and rest my back against the wall and beat up on the blood clot. My father want Karachi man. Me know if he keep everything dead around of this blood clot. And come now man. Come now man. Me ready for Uno. Me ready for Uno. Soyini, you come and play victim. Soyini, you lead this out to blood clot this too. Because when me write my post, if you never da follow me up, you wanna write back. I so come and know say, the name when me give me blood clot cream, I it the problem. True you know say it blatant. Go suck your mama Soyini. Go suck your mama donkey teeth, woman. Move your bumbo blood clot, your ugly no blood clot, show your face. This is how she always have to act. I saw she look in her mirror too. And we up here, so I'm not telling you no way there. Say up here, so alone the woman show mostly. Lady, show your face. This is my real face, so. This is my real face. Show your face, monkeys, oh. It makes sense. It makes sense when you bring down chin. And make me and chin in a blood clot problem. Come argue with me. Because it makes sense. So we have press live and attack and elaborate. But what's up, your mama? You never make sense on the internet too.
And then them go over she and then do it, then come over here and them write say, oh, she write boy yo, Mitchie me ignore it. She can't write what she want.
Well, and I wish Mitchie this over here, so.
But it I get too much now to the point where it I get annoying and to fuck with my brain. I mean I do that. I don't do shit like that.
Who is this Mitchie?
Disrespect from nobody.
Me was a blood clot donkey. Donkey woman, me not take disrespect from nobody either. So I too we not take disrespect from nobody. And you should have mind your own business. And just like how you come up as a come talk say, if me didn't feel a type of way, me should have come in your DM, bitch. If you did feel a type of way, you should have come in my DM come. Me supposed to be too much blood clot or wanna bring me to it. Wanna round up and come within the group now. Go suck your mother, Soyini.
I'm not a hypocrite, you know. I'm the type of person, I'm not hate people like that, you know. Because hate is a very strong word, you know. It's a lot of people use it.
Me hate your face, the truth. Me not like how you ugly and just follow me up so I'm about nice.
People do not hate
Me
people.
not like
Hate
that.
them ways, you understand me? Hate is a very strong fucking word.
Me really don't like your face. Me hate your face bad.
You understand me? And I never knew that. Is my son tell me that because he used to always say me hate. And he was like, Ma, you know hate is a strong word.
The son supposed to shame you. At least maybe him feel little good at you right now. But you have germs. A brother in the company chat and last come say you're so good. None of my people them can shame me about them things there. Because I don't only talk seminar. Oh.
So at the end of the day, it cannot fix everything. But at the end of the day, you can't.
Yeah, that's why I know say him in favor of you. That's why I go glow no blood clot germs. And go on go suck on the blood clot save the whole of you.
If you can't respect me as a captain.
Oh, me respect the captain. Me respect the captain. You respect the captain, dirty girl. You know blood clot this up lava, class up lava and press lava and rub out lava. One time he never added to chin live. Him not add me and him not add you and me never the same. Go suck on no matter. Boy, Soyini, no you're not gonna do it. No you're not gonna do it. No you're not gonna do it. That's why I'm have to left out over there so I can see what she call lava. Chattings is on my name.
Exactly.
Chattings is on my name.
Where the ship I do with your fan it for? If you're not
And that you not do? Can go suck out your mama car from the same night me say me I done with over there so.
You have to do that.
Once you have a friend and the friend can't tell you the truth, you know, I know your friend
It don't make no sense. Yeah, and when they tell you the truth, they believe it in some kind of way.
Once a person cannot tell you the truth, them hate you.
Sure. Me do better than you. Me never come and find none gears. I wanna distract me. I wanna distract me. So could I wanna distract blood clot me. Look here. Murder. People look at my business place. Tell me if I can't show any the cream them, but me have a whole heap of cream for me. Now my business place this. Now my cream business this. Me suck my drop yesterday. I wanna distract me. Me not come and foreign come a gears. Me never did plan to come a United States of America. Come gears none of my time. None of my time so could me never come for gears. I wanna distract me. Can you see me I do better than Uno? Where? But suck your mother, Soyini. As you see me cream come out, launch name chat. Talk to me nice. You have a problem with that, bitch. And you shouldn't have a problem with that. You never want me focus on my bonus, big pussy woman. You don't want me focus on my bonus, Soyini. Stop come and play victim and attack like say you're a good blood clot girl. From when you hear every little thing, why me could never used to go and say in a wedding when everybody, remember in a wedding when time me and the old, I don't even know, the dirty bad throat one, catch up. You did it for my side, so one now, you see little changes. I'm going to come and find out that I do a little bit better than, yeah? You come and you show what, or I'm rent that Soyini a government pay your rent and me pay my rent. Me in a shell come out. Because we can't live them life there. Soyini you in a shelter for how much years and then put you up. Then put you up and help you half of your rent. Soyini go suck your mother. Soyini go suck your ma. Go suck your ma. Go suck your mother. And go and move your blood clot. You're a man. Come here, him not there. Listen.
You can't this. It's annoying. My friend them come and say, yo, it not look good for the show. Done.
What not look good for the show? What me do? What me do? Me not do nothing. Me there over there the people my work me in the comment section. There is nothing I did that night. That's why I'm dealing with you like this. So the people them that night, yes, we could have understand. But you me know that the man did I do. Me all out. Me all out. Me all out. All me just depend on a black. And a black. One girl alone, me answer, you know, one and only girl. One and only girl. People they can go over YouTube, chat and laugh, go look. Go over YouTube, chat and laugh, go look. See only go suck your mother. Yeah, demon.
You don't. I say on everything, bro. Dead ass. Like,
Dead ass your blood clot. Talk to me like a Jamaican, American twang no fit you. Move up. You're not twanging properly. But dead ass. Go ahead. It don't even sound good. Tell who done. Tell me blood clot. Where come trouble for? Who can talk to me? What the blood clot you trouble for? Stinking old woman. Me the trouble you. Dirty fuck. Run a car and a cock up. Yeah? Be a man I don't fuck on you know. Cause now una dinga dong you know. Rigmarole you know. Una na no head you know. Una na no blood clot head you know. Remember una saltfish head you know. Nobody can pass little bit because down on the waist can go because you juke up that blood clot. But you're proper selfish head.
Understand me? So, that's just my point of view. Like, if him are the captain of the ship and him can't say, yo.
He not talk to me because he can't talk to me. Right now, he can't talk to me because I'm not on the team no more. Me I tell you that. One time, him could have talked to me and I would say, alright, boss, me here, yo. You show me a little thing, I'm acknowledge that, I'm done see. Ask him if I don't call him the next day. And ask him where I said to him. From them time, the man me see whole heap of changes. And then other things happen after that make me see changes. Big up my blood clad friend them at England. Right, that's a shame. I have to say 40 more. When you lift up here, when you lift up out of my life here, lift up out of my bumbo clad life here. Come never send come call me, you know. I want to send come call me, you know. Don't make me start talking, you know. I will pull some on the docket, you know. Oh. So when woman come off of my name. That means I one bag of chat in the family. That means I love her chat my name. That means I love her chat my name, Soyini. That means I love her chat my name, then Soyini. You love her chat my blood clot name, then Soyini.
Pick that. We are all adults.
Listen, me a one girl army go suck your mama. I mean, I need none of you to help back me up. Because first of all, me's an artist. I mean, I try to do something in a way there. I love her never give me that push. So I need for blood clot over the two. Hey girl, go sure. Jah know Father God. Come on for this. Soyini, you not make no sense. Go suck your mother. You irritate me. Because what you say now make no sense. No bumbo clot sense. No one, nobody tell me about nobody, my friend. Me mad in a man. And when I love you, you know. And when I do some things to change my mind, you know, and it change, you know. Brother, listen, me no want nobody call Lava name to my friend. Nobody no call Lava, Lava him own. Lava is him own big man and me am my own big woman. You hear me a bumble blood clot tell you know. When me say, don't make me get mad, because we just start talk some things that hurt my feelings from last year, December. You hear me a blood clot tell you know. We just start talk some things when I have in my tour from last year December. I want to leave me bumble blood clot alone. You hear? Because I know me was the Lava favorite from day one. So I don't know the whole and I push and I rug and I shoot out. Me there by myself, me a one girl army. Me no want nobody chat to me, me want nobody call me blood clot name. Nobody can talk to me because my father can't talk to me, Lava cannot talk to me. Every minute you know they call Lava fuck me. Lava fuck you. I play up in your pussy. Lava now come around me a lady. Oh. I'm ramp with certain people certain way too. Let me have a run down clog. Go suck your mother, girl. Call my blood clot name and I suck cocky mouth. Hold on to eat shit and suck good like dog. One night, brother, nah friend them. I'm done with them. I'm serious like a judge. Deaf? I don't need nobody in my life, my friend. When I need help and call and I not get no help from nobody. When I want help, one hand can't clap, you know. I mean, me, I'm the only person who help myself and me make that happen. I never see one hand clap yet. When? Sound. And me make that blood clot happen. Because me do everything for myself. You hear me? I tell you now, I don't want a friend from nobody. I don't want nobody chat to me. I do me. Deaf? You know me? You can't tame me. Nobody no try taming me. And we love you for only a little time. Till me get to know you. And when me know you, I know where you make out of, that's it. Fuck you. You ain't nobody to me. What you mean if I like a round table talk? What you mean in a year the woman and say, I blatant, you be an idiot. I get on my bumbo clot ban and grow here. Get on my ban and grow. Ungrateful your blood clot so cocky girl will have a do for me. Will have a do for me. Go over that blood clot and me is a performer and make my money. Help me do what? Help me do what? Help me do what? The show give me money. Lava did not take it out of his pocket and give me. So true, me raise the money over Lava. Me stay and make people disrespect me. You not hear what the woman just say. You not blood clot hear what the woman just say. Go suck your mother, girl. And make me find you and block you too. But watch out your thinking, pussy, Miss Aliyah. The time you're there on my life, nobody not tell me for how to vent my bumbo clad feelings. Nobody. Me can't tear me in my snap so. Bam! Jamaica keep daily. Come eat my blood clot pussy hole. Come eat me. Dry. I mean if me earn that blood clot there. You go like when me come off a show night time, when time I go with all enough time I go over there and work and I get no money. Enough time I go over there, 2 times I go over there and get money. So what you tell me, say, don't make me talk my life story right there, so now. Don't make me spill out everything. Don't make me get blood clot mad. Lava show was based off a mix up blood clot show. When Kings of Kings come out and Kings of my name, Kings of Kings never call some other name. 2 lakhs say, the one name Chi, you see over Lava chat and laugh. Him call Lava name and him call my name. What that mean? And we was the only one birds buzzing. Lava was the host. Lava never did do that much. But he was the host. Kings of Kings said the one name Cheese and the one name Bun and the one name. Them call nobody else name. My been trending. When you see a me Nicki Minaj see? Eh? When you see that? My been bumbo clot trending. Go suck on the mother. Go suck on the mother. Suck on the mother the whole I know. Blood clot and go. No want nobody tell me nothing. Me reach a point in my blood clot life. Me my own big woman. Me no want a friend from nobody. Reach that point. Me now go back over chat and laugh. And me done blood clot talk. Me done pussy bumbo blood clot talk. You know, I have no problem with Uno. Much things people blood clots on the show.
Don't start cheese. Why add me to the live?
I mistake. Eh? Even know how me add you. Black me, I look so black and you get bad goods.
I chat my shit, yeah. I come off my live though. Big up yourself, mama. You don't need to be arguing with nobody. So you only use fake as fuck. I'm gonna know why she going like say. I don't know why she acting like she know blood clot cost too. Like you're a big man, so you must have to can calm down at some point. You are a grown ass woman.
Just do somebody one person by the blood clot have a problem.
Big up yourself, cheese. I'm gonna come off of this.
Right, that's some woman.
Yes. I'm gonna come off of this.
Just hold on, I'm take care. I'm a big pussy girl. Yeah. I black it already, man. I see me that black. Me kill anybody when I want blood clot kill. If I come, I kill it to girl. Come on, chow the rise against blood clot me. Look, I'm play my big bumbo blood clot tune right now. This is the biggest tune in a dance hall. The biggest blood clot tune this in a dance hall. Oh, don't talk to no. This is the biggest thing in a dance hall. Play a tune. This is for the one them where you know say them see people are trying to make it in a life. And I try hold on, man. Right now, people, if you know say you know me, no pussy hold your back, people. Sound the big thing.